Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another video. This one was requested by some people on my Instagram DMs or किसी ने comment भी किया था. So here we are with our handy dandy list of things of stationeries that you need to buy before going into NIFT. This will cover you for like a good half a semester. उसके बाद जो भी तुम्हारे teachers expect करते हैं, just go off and buy that. But this will do you good for the starters, and this will also help you not buy shit ton of stationery like I did. And I still have the stationery from my first year. I'm going into my third year. I don't know what to do with so much stationery. Let's start with paper, sketchbooks, all that. So get 2 to 3 A3 sketchbooks. Also, every paper that I'm talking about, try going above 200 GSM or 150 GSM at least. So that way तुमको painting के लिए और like alcohol markers के लिए वगैरह वगैरह अलग से sheets नहीं खरीदनी पड़ेगी. Try getting a good quality paper. That's very necessary. Like your stationery will literally elevate your designs and make it look so good. And I learned this the hard way. I learned this the very hard way. But yeah, get maybe 2 or 3 A3 sketchbooks. Of don't get like very thick ones because तुमको हर semester बदलनी ही पड़ेगी. So there's no point of you getting really thick ones. Maybe a 60 to 100 page one is fine. That applies for all the notebooks, by the way. A4s, 3 A4s will be fine, and 2 A5s. A5s I'm suggesting so you can take them to class. They can be all in, your on the go notebooks. Also, you will be making a lot of learning diaries, and हर subject के लिए उतनी बड़ी learning diary की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So A5s will do the job, at least two. Maybe तुम आगे जाके और खरीदो. Let's get into like art supplies. Get alcohol markers, good ones. There's a very famous brand that I forgot the name of, but search it up. Alcohol markers. Try getting a bigger size so तुम्हारे पास सारे shades हो. It is slightly pricey. Actually, it's very pricey, but it's so worth it. It helps you so much. Watercolors, acrylic paints. You don't need the biggest set of these. Maybe the artist ones or the student ones will be fine. Paint brushes, obviously, क्योंकि paint ले रहे हो तो paint brushes, duh. And then get color pens, like gel color pens. Because learning diaries, अगर तुमको पता नहीं है, they are like very fancy scrapbooks essentially. That will include, oopsie, that will include everything that you've learned throughout the semester. So color pens will do you good. Get calligraphy pens. They are also like fancy, nice to write with, smooth. They look very pretty on your LD. Get a screwdriver kit. This is not really for your assignments, but for your survival in your college. There are multiple days when you need a screwdriver. So get one. Get a few loose sheets, A3, A4 both. ये भी मोटी GSM की रखो because you might need to submit artworks on loose sheets. That totally depends on your professor, how they like their work. Also, if my hair is looking messy, I have no clue क्योंकि तुम back camera पे हो. So like deal with it. Other than this, get Stedlers. Stedlers, I really don't like them, but they're the best color pencils. They're very good for illustrations. I personally don't like color pencils, but if you have to buy one, get Stedlers, and you will need to buy one because there are subjects completely based on this. I would 100% suggest कि तुम alcohol markers or Stedlers पहले से खरीद के जाओ. Get a bunch of color sheets. जो एक set आता है 5 हर color की sheets, that will be sufficient for the first few weeks at least. This is something that you can buy later on in the semester. But if you have fancy diaries at home that you can convert into learning diaries, carry them with you. They are so worth it. They'll just elevate your learning diary submission without even doing shit, just because your diary is pretty. I have a few tips too. Don't buy too many clothes just because you're going into a fashion school. Like you don't have a specific style. Keep in mind that you will change a lot after going to college, so there's no point of you buying a bunch of trendy shit that you might not even like in a month or two. That's what happened with me. This was my shirt that I wore on the first day of college, and I don't like it very much now. It just sits in my home wala closet, and ये मैं मजबूरी में पहनती हूँ. आज मजबूरी थी because I really don't have any clothes that are letting me fucking breathe. Everything is sticky, everything is humid, everything is just annoying. Don't buy your electronics immediately. अगर laptop, tab ये सब लेने को देख रहे हो, I would suggest don't buy it before going to college. You can go there, talk to your seniors, talk to your professors, and उसके according ले लो. अभी मत लो. Also, after you settle into your college, you get your first Diwali break, and that is when you get your Amazon Diwali sale. So you'll get it for cheaper too. I bought mine before going to college, and it does come in handy quite a lot, but There are a few things I would like to change, but I love my tab a lot and I cannot live without it. But yeah, mat lo because expensive hai, and it's like a depreciating thing. It would not give you any money in return. It's a loss if it's not worth to your college degree. It's as it is expensive. Other than this, I have gotten a lot of messages of you guys saying that तुम लोगों को बहुत डर लग रहा है, college is crazy, all of that, you're very scared. Yes, it is crazy, but trust me, it's gonna be so much fun. It is it's obviously like I was terrified, bro, once my parents left me and went home. But you will be fine, everything will be amazing. Try to make the most of your first semester because trust me, nothing is like your first semester, and it totally depends on if you make it the best or your worst semester. Try talking to people and exploring yourself. Take part in everything because I didn't, so I regret it quite a lot. But take part in everything. There's so much that you can learn, there's so much that you can explore. I know it's scary, but also keep in mind that there's a new chapter of your life that you're gonna start, and it's gonna be incredible. And if you come to Navjotpur, don't be a stranger. Come say hi. I'm always very excited to meet you guys. I'm a little nervous when anyone comes up to me. That's my mother. मैं उनके रूम में बैठी हूँ. So yeah, that is all. I hope this solves a few queries for you. If you have any other question, don't be shy. Put it in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram in the description, and I'll be more than happy to help you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.